Hello, friends. In today's video, we are going to discuss a topic which is very important for everyone to understand. So please watch this video till the end. If you like the video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. Please click because I will keep bringing such useful content for you. International Finance Enchanted. International Finance, exploring global economic dynamics. Delve into the captivating world of international finance with these research topics. Exploring the nuances of exchange rate fluctuations, international financial regulations, and the roles of global financial institutions. Investigating the factors that drive exchange rate fluctuations and their enchanting impact on international trade. Analyzing the influence of global trade agreements on the flow of international finances and the allure of foreign direct investments. Evaluating the effectiveness of international portfolio diversification strategies in transforming risks and enhancing returns. Assessing the crucial role of international financial institutions in maintaining global financial stability. Exploring the implications of offshore financial centers on international financial stability and regulatory harmonization. Examining the impact of global financial crises on the development of emerging market economies. Investigating the challenges and regulatory frameworks surrounding cross-border banking operations. Assessing the effectiveness of international financial regulations in a globalized economy. Exploring the challenges and opportunities of cross-border mergers and acquisitions. Unveil the magic behind international finance and uncover the secrets that shape global economic